Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut female trousers. Materials needed are fabric, your preferred fabric. You can use Ankara, crepe or other desired materials. You'll be needing up to 2 to 2.5 yards depending on the size of the person that will be wearing it. Measuring tape, chalk or fabric marker, ruler, scissors. Measure the waist, the hip, the knee circumference as well as crotch depth, full length of the trouser. Measure waist divided by 4, add sewing allowance. Measure the hip, add sewing allowance. Then the thigh line divided by 2, add sewing allowance. It is a free pant. For the crotch depth, divide hip by 4 and add 2 inches. It will allow for ease. Thanks for watching guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.